Hello everyone, our subject is financial management. Clear? We already start some of the leverages. So today we are going to start sum number 19. The financial manager of Hypothetical Limited expected that earning before interest and tax of current year would amount 10 lakh rupees. Current year nu existing EBIT કેટલું આપેલું છે 10 lakh. Firm has a 5% bond aggregate 40 lakhs while 10% preference. Bond means debenture bond. Clear? એના ઉપર interest હોય. So 40 lakhs ના 5% તમારે interest charge કરવાનું bond કે debenture આપેલા હોય ત્યારે. While 10% preferential amount 20 lakhs while what would be the EPS? એક તો જ્યારે EBIT 10 lakh હોય ત્યારે EPS find કરવાનું. Then assuming EBIT being બે અલગ alternatives આપેલા છે EBIT નું. 66 lakhs હોય ત્યારે અને 14 lakhs હોય ત્યારે how would the EPS affected? Assume 50% tax bracket. Number of outstanding ordinary share. Ordinary share no meaning શું થશે? Equity shares. Clear? Ordinary share, number of equity share 1 lakh. Clear? Number of equity shares is 1 lakh rupees. So here is you have to three alternatives is given. 3 EBIT આપેલા છે. એક તો existing current year નું 10 lakh, એના પછી બે alternative આપેલા છે 6 lakhs and 14 lakhs. So let's start. Statement showing EPS. એક તો EPS find કરવાનું હોય એટલે you have to follow structure particular. એક તો earning ક્યારે earning means EBIT 10 lakh હોય ત્યારે, then EBIT 6 lakhs હોય ત્યારે અને EBIT 14 lakhs હોય ત્યારે. ત્રણ alternative existing EBIT થશે alternative 1 and alternative 2. So start from the So start from the EBIT. Sum ક્યાંથી start થશે? EBIT or profit 10 lakh rupees, 6 lakhs and 14 lakhs. Interest bond ઉપર interest હોય 40 lakhs ના 5%. So 2 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees and 2 lakhs. So EBT 10 lakh minus 2 lakh 88 lakhs, 6 lakhs minus 2 lakh 4 lakhs, 14 lakhs minus 2 lakh 12 lakh. Clear? Then tax is given 50%. So here is 8 lakhs na 50% 4 lakh, 4 lakh na 50% 2 lakh, 12 lakh na 50% 6 lakhs. Clear? So you will get EAT. So EAT જ્યારે preference share આપેલા હોય તો earning after tax માંથી શું minus કરવાનું થશે? preference share dividend. Clear? So preference share dividend. preference share કેટલા આપેલા છે? 20 lakhs na 10%. So 10 20,000. Clear? 20,000 2 lakhs, sorry, 20 lakhs na 10%, 2 lakh, 2 lakh and 2 lakh rupees. So earning available to equity shareholder 4 lakh minus 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh minus 2 lakh 0. Clear? Then number of equity share is given. Equity share ordinary share no meaning શું થશે? equity share કેટલા આપેલા છે? 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh, 1 lakh and 1 lakh number of equity shares. So EPS ની formula શું થશે? earning available to equity shareholder divided by number of equity share. earning કેટલી છે? 2 lakh rupees. Clear? So here is 2 lakh rupees divided by 1 lakh rupees. Clear? Same way here is 0. Clear? Then here is 4 lakh rupees divided by 1 lakh number of shares. Clear? So here is sum number 19. Clear? You have to find EPS on the basis of when you follow the structure. So if you have any doubt or query, then you can message me. And you have to calculate similar sum from the material. Clear? Almost 1 or 2 lecture this unit will be over. So similar sum you have to calculate by your own way. Clear? So if you have any doubt or query, then you can message me, call me. Clear? And thank you all.